When you're younger, adulthood feels surprisingly organized. Like you have this feeling that everything will work out for you. You will have the job, the life, the city, the friends, the family, everything will be so perfect. But the point is, it is nothing like that. And I am in my 20s and I used to romanticize my life a lot. I used to think that living in a big city, having a great job that pays well, everything will feel so in place. Like I used to think like I will have a lot of certainty in my life. And the moment I got here, I realized no one has it figured out. Everyone is just trying. Because look at me, I'm also trying. I'm trying to manage my software engineer career with my YouTube journey and I've just started posting. So there is a lot of effort going on here. Nobody prepared me for how uncertain my 20s will be. One year I'm convinced that I'm on the right path, and the next year I'm thinking, what am I even doing? And I'm having too many thoughts about my own career, about my own personality. Everything is just feeling so out of place. And the strange part is that everyone around us feels so accomplished, like everyone is posting something or the other on LinkedIn. Someone has got a promotion, someone is getting a new apartment, especially influencers. Someone is going out to travel, someone is having the time of their life, and somewhere deep down it creates an illusion that everyone has figured it out except you. But no one tells you that in order to be successful, there are a lot of disappointments, months that you don't do anything. Maybe you're waking up till 6 a.m. to complete a task. I don't know. I mean, no one talks about the backdrops, the back end, the hustle. Everyone is there to talk about the good things. But no one talks about how many times they have failed. And let me tell you my side of the story so that maybe you can feel comfortable about it. When I was in college, I used to feel very lost. I did not have many friends. I used to live in my single room for most of my time, and I used to watch so many videos and all. I used to study a little bit. I had a great CGPA, so academics was not a problem for me. But the point was, I was very confused what to do in my life. But by God's grace, I got a really great job and I'm very happy in my job. So I don't have any complaints here. But the point is, I want to do so many other things like posting on YouTube, maybe going to a bakery class, pottery class. Like there are so many things, and I understand that this might sound like a first world problem to you, but I don't have it figured it out. I don't know what I'm trying to do. I don't know what I'm trying to achieve. Everything feels so scattered, and the only thing that makes me feel normal is that I have just started, so I'm just a fresher in my field. But there will be a day when I'll not be a fresher and things will be expected out of me. And what if I'm not able to do it? The self doubt, the self resilience, everything just comes there. And somewhere deep down, I feel my 20s are not the place where I'm supposed to have a lot of certainty. And I feel like it was supposed to be a place where I experiment. And the problem with most of the people is that they treat uncertainty as failing, and I am one of them too because I'm a perfectionist and it really hampers me if I'm not able to do anything in one go. Lately, I've been trying to learn how to go slow, stop being in a fight or flight mode. So maybe that's a message that I wanted to convey here, because this is not what I expected out of my 20s, to be in a fight or flight mode all the time, thinking you are lagging behind and everything. Because I feel like everyone who has been in their 20s, everyone didn't have it figured out. Everyone was just trying to be there, to be uncertain, experiment. Maybe there are so many things to do. As a multitasker, I like to do everything. I love my job, so I love tech, and I love painting, I love writing, I love talking to the camera, everything. So it's so hard to make a decision. It's so hard to balance between everything. But somehow, somewhere deep down, I feel like if I will not do it today, then when? And maybe that's a sign for all of us to just start for anything. And I have told this in my previous video as well, that it's very important to start. And I feel like uncertainty is not the evidence of being lost. It's the evidence of being growing. Because I have started this channel, it's very new. I am uncertain whether I'll get views or not. But I'm just experimenting because my 20s is about experiment. That is what I'm trying to say in this video. Because at this point of time, we all are making decisions without guarantee because we are just living life too, right? This is our first time being in our 20s. We don't have any idea how it will look like in the next few years. Because think about it like this, when you were in a school, you always had a plan. From class 10th to class 11th, 12th, always a purpose. But when you are in your 20s, there is no purpose. You are creating your purpose. And sometimes when you're not able to create it, you feel like you're just not good enough and you're not doing anything in your life. And it feels very weird. I would not say it's easy, it's very hard. For the first time in your life, there is a no predefined path that is telling you exactly what to do. And sometimes it's a little confusing, I get it. I feel like no one prepares you for this because it is important for you to go through it, and it is important for you to understand and experience it. The truth is, your 20s is not about finding answers, it's about growing and moving on, even if you don't have them. And one day, when you look back and realize that the people who were saying that they all have figured out were also faking it, and they were also just trying to make it up, and maybe you will realize they were just brave enough to keep going. So, if you take one thing from this video, I would say just keep going. Or if you have read the Colin Hoover book, just keep swimming, because that's what I want to convey in this video. Because if you will not, you will lag behind for real, and when you look back, you will just regret it. So I feel like live a life with no regrets and try everything that you can, because your 20 is about experimenting, and I have said this multiple times in my videos. So, yeah.